How to rotate a video in Davinci Resolve. So here I have an example video that I'm gonna use. So what I'm gonna do here is rotate the video. The way that I would do that is make sure that the video is selected, and then here in the transform section you can change the rotation angle right here. So let's turn it upside down or just onto the side. Actually, let's just do it onto its side like that. And now we have rotated the video. But let's say you don't want these black bars, and let's say that you want to rotate the video as the video is progressing. So let me just first handle the black bars. Now how you're gonna do this is by holding shift and simply dragging this video like that. And there you go, you've deleted the black bars. But now, how do you rotate a video as the video is playing? So let's say we want the video to be normal. And then right about here, you want it to start rotating, and here you want it to complete the full rotation. So let's select this clip where it is gonna rotate, select the starting frame, and then click on rotation angle right here. Once you've done this, you can go all the way to the last frame and then change the rotation angle. And there you go, we rotated the video. Well, this is more than 90 degrees, but the end result was 90 degrees. And there you go, that's how to rotate the video in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.